What's up, guys? So today my plan is to build another exhaust for the Mustang. Ever since I lowered it, it's became apparent that all these pipes up here kind of hang pretty low, which I knew from the start, especially this one, which is kind of like the downpipe that then leads to the exhaust. You can probably see there's some scratches on the bottom here, and I ripped the wrap that was on there. I've hit the up pipe side a couple times. Not too bad. It's kind of a little bit higher. And I don't think I've hit the wastegate yet, but you can see it hangs almost as low as everything else. And I've definitely scraped my my 4-inch to 5-inch exhaust that went under the axle. It was a little low right where it went under the axle here. So I already removed the 4-inch to 5-inch. It's actually sitting over here for now. So my new plan is to get rid of this low-hanging pipe and also this low-hanging pipe, the wastegate pipe. I'm going to take all that off, and I'm going to attempt to fit the new exhaust out this area. I'm going to have to remove my air conditioning line and probably my windshield wash, and then bring it out somewhere in front of the front tire. So that's all I know right now. I don't really have a plan, so I'm going to go with it and see what happens. So a little update, I removed the downpipe and the wastegate pipe and removed that whole thing, that whole assembly. And I also removed the windshield wash reservoir because this pipe's gonna come right through here, and this is right where the windshield wash was sitting. I also removed a couple air conditioning lines, so no more air conditioning in this thing. I'm gonna eventually remove the condenser and everything else, but for today, I just removed the lines that'll be in the way. So now I'm gonna start figuring out where the pipes can run, and the basic goal is to come through here and exit somewhere over here. So here's a little update. I got the downpipe started here. I used a bend, a straight, and then another bend. And then now I've got this straight pipe going the whole way through that really tight area to try to see where I can line up with the downpipe. And I'm going to use one more V-band because I don't think there's any way I'll be able to slide this whole thing through that little hole. So I'm trying to see if I can get this to mate up, something like that. So now I'm gonna have to tack that connection, and then I'll just have to figure out the rest out here. I've got everything tacked up. Now I'm going to move on to do all the final welds and back purge everything. got everything welded up now. The last thing I need to do is weld in this O2 bung for my wideband gauge. So I'm just gonna, actually I already marked it, and I'm just gonna hit it with a center punch and then drill the hole out and weld this guy in.